Remember when you had to leave the house to shop? Well, now you can buy clothes in your underwear if you like, or even check your Social Security status, thanks to the online connectivity revolution. Even if you're not wearing pants, beneficiaries can manage current benefits, while others can request Social Security card replacements and get estimates of future benefits. But there's good news and bad news on that front. The Social Security Administration is upgrading its My Social Security personal account system online to provide a simpler login experience and more secure online access. I'll make a video soon to show you the process. The bad news is that if you already created an online My Social Security personal account before September 18, 2021, you'll need to log in and transition to a new type of account to access online Social Security services. Still, that's a lot better than driving to your local Social Security office or waiting on hold forever on the phone. Speaking of not wearing pants, ever wonder why my videos never show below the waist?